Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to part 2 of my Hobby Lobby clearance haul. This is the final haul video in this series. So I'm just going to share with you guys a couple of things I picked up. I will also link part 1 of the Hobby Lobby haul so that you can go and find that one, so that if you haven't already checked it out, you can check it out. So I got a duplicate item that I saw one more of these. This is perfect for skin tones. This is the Tri-Blend Gold Brown Blend 3-in-1 Spectrum Noir marker, alcohol marker. They had one more left, so I went ahead and picked that up for $1.24. It's great for skin tones. So I picked up an extra one of those. You saw in my last video, and I also did a review of the W2O U-Mark permanent paint markers. I went ahead and got the gold and the silver metallic ones because I was like, hey, for $1.74, I can go ahead and get that. I think it was marked down, yes, from $6.99. So I went ahead and got those. And I was looking at these and I was like, I don't need these. But for $1.12, I went ahead and got them because browns and earth tones are always something that you can use in your coloring. And you know, I absolutely love my pastels. So I went ahead and picked those up. And lastly, I got a few, well, not a few. They got me. They got me on the journals. They got me. I got a few journals, bullet journals, sketchbooks, and so forth that I can use for sketching, drawing, and for my color charts, because you know my old school OG color chart is falling apart. So I picked up a few of the bullet journals and sketchbooks that were marked down. So this one is so super cute. It was marked down to $4.99, and there you have the inside, and it's bound by all these like leather straps, and that reminds me of a mandala. So that was just super cute. And then I like the way this one was wood, and it has the strap here to close it up. It's kind of like a hard cover, and it was only $3.24. So I got that one. I can use that as a color chart book if I'd like to. This one was only $2.49. And let me share with you what it says. Look, it has the like little elastic here. And I'm going to show you what it says on the front. It's the journey, not the destination. So I just had to get this one. So super cute. It has the dotted like grids in here. So I don't have any bullet journals that have the grid lines. So I figured for $2, that was something nice to invest in. I love journals and notepads, different things like that. Put that back in the scene so you can see all of the goods. And this one was $2.24. It's also a bullet journal. Share with you the inside. I love the way the cover feels. Feels so good. And what does the cover say? It says dreaming, drawing, doing. That's so me, right? And these are not the grids. These are the actual, just like the little dots. So I didn't have one of those either, with just the little dot line grids in there. So it's very nice paper also. So I got all of those. That's all I got on clearance. I'm going to share with you also the washi tapes that I got that was not on clearance, but it is on sale You know, I'm all about the washies. So all of the Paper Studio washies and tapes are 50% off. So I got this pattern, this pattern. So super cute. I'm like loving these different patterns. Oh, isn't that pretty? Love that. Love this one too. Oh, and this rose gold. Look at that. So pretty. And last but not least, we have the trellis and the turquoise polka dot. Can't wait to play with those in my coloring books. So that's it. That is part 2 and the final part of my Hobby Lobby haul. I will not be going back to Hobby Lobby under no circumstances. And I think I'm pretty much done with my Hobby Lobby clearance shopping. And this was a small haul, only a 6-minute video. Yay! So I'm doing better. I'm doing better. Slowly going down. Slowly going down. It's going down. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. And don't forget to check out part 1 if you miss that one. And also check out the playlist for all the rest of my bargain budget friendly hauls that I perform on this channel. If you like budget-friendly hauls and coloring supplies and art supplies and craft supplies, please give this video a big old thumbs up. If you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I post a video so you won't miss out. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful rest of the day. And as always, happy coloring. Bye.